Hi.
Hi.
Tuko na nani hapa?
Miss P, Princessa.
Miss P in the building. So Miss P nikuulize aje. Do you believe in love?
I do. I'm in love right now. What do you mean?
Walai.
Yeah.
So what is the craziest thing shaifanya juu ya love?
What I'm doing right now.
Kama
I feel like nimeanza kusimp sasa at this point.
Looking like I'm simping. I'm looking like a sinking ship.
Walai. You're simping for someone you love.
The craziest thing I've done is what I'm doing right now. I'm like sitting here waiting for someone to choose me. That's the craziest I've done. Because mimi ni mtu niko na kiburi. Na mimi najipenda sana na najiheshimu sana. So I feel like sasa sijiheshimu venye ninakaa tu hivi chini nangoja mtu ani choose. So that's the craziest thing I've done for love.
So uko sure Obina atakuchoose kweli?
Sijui. Takwaje sure, I don't know.
Na kikudisappoint.
It's fine. It's life.
You're ready?
Yeah, it's life. Ndafanya, what am I gonna do?
Aya, so lingine. Can you simp for someone who you love him?
I mean,
You
okay.
can,
Sijui kusimp venye you may define, but kusimp for me is basically doing the most for someone you love, and me when I'm in love, I will do the most for someone that I love.
Okay,
Yeah.
so lingine, how long should a talking stage take?
Less than 24 hours.
Less than 24
Yeah.
hours. So hiyo yako na Obina ni
Si hatujakuwa na talking stage.
walai.
At waste time.
Walai.
Mbona tu waste time?
Mingia tu kama mmerime na kama mingiana hivi.
Haijaingiana bado.
Bado zingiana.
Yeah.
Aya, so lingine, do you prefer cheating back on a cheating partner?
No, like I was telling mchaskia, I have to remain true to myself. I feel like it's stupid for you to try to get back at someone by cheating back. That is nonsensical. That is you stooping so low to lower yourself to the level of the person who cheated on you. So no.
So you
No,
can't
no.
cheat back on someone who cheated.
Hata cha kucheat back, I cannot cheat at all. I don't know how people do that.
So utamkata off.
Sindo, I just walk away.